Search on Google S3 and click on the first link. You will be landed to the AWS S3 page. So S3 means simple storage service. So it's an object storage service which you can use to store your files. For these are the use cases for the S3, and the availability of file is like 99.999 percentage, which is mentioned here. So this is what is covered in the free tier: 12 months free, 5 gigs in the S3 standard storage class, 20,000 get requests. So this is within the 12 months. So there are some more links, you can go through it. So yeah, let's go to console and then search S3. You will be landed to this page. So some links are mentioned here as well, so you can see. Let's create a bucket is just like a folder where you can store your files. So click on the bucket name and then type AWS training bucket, give any name you want. So some settings are default only, so like the block all public access. So we're gonna block all the public accesses, and then some default settings we gonna go there. Oh, okay, so the bucket with this name already exists, so give some unique name for this. Okay, so this does not exist, so let's create the bucket with this name. Okay, so it's gonna take a while. Okay, so the bucket is created already, so you can see the region where it is created. So once you click on the buckets, you can see all the buckets mentioned here. So now let's go and upload some files. So yeah, you can add files here. So I'm just adding a test file. You can see, the bucket URL is this s3 colon slash slash, and then you can remove that file also. So basically this is how you upload the files. There are some permissions, properties related to the file. So yeah, you can explore this page more, what all details are mentioned about the file. So once you scroll down, click on the upload, so then only this file will be uploaded. Okay, so you can see the status in progress and then succeeded. So now our file is uploaded. So once you click on it, so you will be redirected to another page with the details about this file. So yeah, it's taking a while to load. So yeah, you can see the details as S3 URL for this file, including the bucket name also. So you can explore this page more.